The projector for the Walks Talks will have been set up by the house staff and will be showing the screen you can see here. If the programme hasn't been started, you'll see an icon similar to this on the desktop with your house name on it. Just double click on it and you should now have this screen. This is the only time you will have to make a selection using the mouse or the touchpad on the computer. For the first night, click on the box shown ringed in red here. If you are leading a week where Group A is not on the first night, just use the next button which has only got Group A written on it. A slide will show with a photograph of the house. From now on, all you have to do is click using the clicker or the right arrow on the keyboard, and the slides advance. For the first night, there is now a slide that introduces the different grades of walks between the houses. Each click reveals the next part of the slide. It's simple to control the pace of the slides, just click when you're ready. The next slide is the overview of walks for the week. Each click reveals the next walk until all 5 days' walks are showing. There's been good feedback from guests that they like this opportunity to see where all the walks are located. When all 5 days are showing, the next click takes us to the overview for tomorrow's walks. This shows the distances and ascents for each of the walks. Another click takes us to the opening slide for the easier walk. Click again and the start point for the walk is shown. The next click starts the animation, showing the route for the first section of the walk. Once the animation stops, the next click normally shows a photograph illustrating part of the route just shown. You can pause before clicking if you're still talking at this point. The speed of delivery is literally in your own hands. From now on, each click either shows another photograph or starts the next section of animation until you reach the final destination, where the presentation ends with a photograph. The click after this takes you to the opening slide for the medium walk. Pass the clicker to the next leader and the process continues for the medium and harder walks. On reaching the end of the harder walk, a further click takes you back to the overview summary for the 3 walks. You have now reached the end of the presentation.